No, guys. No, guys. Yini any wrong acrimony. You are the battery in acrimony because why do you guys keep sending me stuff about Umakoti or say Sweden? Why? Even if her marriage is a humiliation ritual, why should I care? Why should I care? Okay? I get things were made clear when they involved my lawyers from Scorpion and Legal Wise, where we stand, Umakoti or Sweden. So why should I have any opinions or commentary on her? No. Mm-mm. Today's video is brought to you by Nare Credit Help. Are you under debt review? You are facing judgment? Your credit score, sana, is in shambles. There's even a flag on your credit review. That's how horrible and deep under the carpet you are when it comes to your credit. Look no further because Nare helps you when it comes to that. From removing the flag on your credit review, helping you with your default judgments, even advising you on how you can get your credit score up because Sana, good credit goes a long way. You are able to get a house, buy a car, get a credit card, open loans, and open accounts. Without that, it is highly, literally impossible to get anything on credit if your name is in shambles, especially if you are under debt review and you've got insane default judgments. Let Nare Credit help you so that you can get your name in order when it comes to your credit score. Look no further because they have gotten some amazing reviews and they are very, very precise and thorough when it comes to helping their clients. I will leave their details in the description box down below for any questions, queries that you might have for them. Listen here, with 2026, Lorna, we are getting everything so. We are getting everything so in order, okay? Write down to your credit score. Yengizwa? Ngiyanamukela kumqhubeka yami bomuntu abakadali bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-anti bomuntu abakasasi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Our January special is still running. Sorry, Kamukhala. Guys, not just businesses. I also promote YouTube channels. Need January special. Okay? Don't worry. I've got everyone. I've got everyone. Okay? So, sorry, Kamukhala. TT, senior management. When I say TT, you must say Bote. You didn't watch Gym 8. Don't do that. Don't do that. Now, let us get into today's stories. Let's go international for 1 second. Okay? You remember that Desmond. They're cutting the grass. We'll be back. Starting internationally, we know that Desmond Christie, they are no longer together because Desmond put his voice in another frying pan during his marriage. He was the one that insisted that they separate. Sana, they just got a new house, you know? But anyway, they are headed for Divorceville because Christy filed for divorce and she's keeping the house. Desmond was clearly kicked to the curb. Okay, fine, we're digesting. Tell me why there's a video out on TMZ of Desmond kissing another girl. Ikolos vuliwe, Desmond. Please, man. Keep it peachy. Kissing another girl in a public place. I really, really think Desmond had his eyes in the social media and he saw that people kept saying that maybe Desmond is cheating with a man. Desmond looks like he is part of the LGBTQI plus DSTV community. So I think that was so staged because he knows that all eyes are on him right now. And why would he be kissing someone that deep, like they are on an episode of Emmanuel in public? He knew what he was doing. He knew what he was doing and he doesn't care. He doesn't care And today we officially know that Desmond is a man because he behaves like a man. May you have successful private part collaborations. Just keep them away from our eyes. Okay, Desmond? Yeah. Let us talk about Piano Pulse. Their latest episode featured Nodas Fiso and the lady, I don't know, her name always keeps escaping me, right? And they were talking about women's bodies. You know, Piano Pulse is the only show that has a piano headline, but they do commentary and gossip like I do. They are my colleagues and they don't focus on the piano industry. They speak about people in the piano industry, but they don't speak about the piano industry. They speak about what the people in the piano industry do in their spare time, their private time, who they are with, what they are wearing. Like, anyway, they were speaking about Zinqumalo's body and Tato Hati's body. Like, straight up body shaming. That is wild. That is insane. Two grown men talking about how a woman's body looks like in clothes and what looks good on them and what does not look good on them, to the point where they actually body shame Tato Hati, say that even if they can feed her a lot of cooking oil and food and whatnot, she will never get more kilograms on her body. Like me, right? This harmed Tato Hati so much that she removed all the posts on her Instagram allegedly, and she had a TikTok saying that if only they knew how long it took for her to grow to love the body that she is in and love herself in her skin. Why? As it when it comes to piano house, like I really don't know. I don't know what the vision for the show is, because what McG explained as the vision of the show is not really what is being portrayed on a piano pulse. That is like wild, absolutely wild. Not Oscar Bo being outed as also a wrestler and a WWE SmackDowner. Yes. So his ex took to her Instagram a couple of days ago, and she said she was triggered by a story that she saw between Usne no Andile. We saw that couple that were all over our social media when it came to them being toxic towards each other. Usne no Andile need to break up, guys. One of them is gonna lose their lives, and one of them is gonna end up in jail, if not both of them under the 6 feet, because what they it's wild. It is wild. No, what we saw the sweet between Snino and the guys, in relationship is toxic. Iphuma, ha! Anyway, Oscar Bo's ex or Ursula was like, I was so triggered by that story because I was in a tumultuous relationship with Oscar, and he thought I was a football, soccer. Angie, school's just opened. Why is my English diminishing? Anyway, he just did WWE SmackDown on me, and I am so triggered, you know. And we saw pictures of her eyes, the blue eyes. Oscar, Oscar, fail, 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 fail. Ha! Yenina, can you guys kindly, please, I ask, when it comes to Umakoti was Sweden, please see me out. Ne? See me out. I thank you. Because you guys are like, Sims, did you see that video of her washing her husband's skid marks on the underwear, saying that the husband does not wash his own underwear, he just throws them there and she's left to wash it. And marriage is a humiliation ritual. It's her ritual to face. It's her marriage to go through. It's her journey to figure out. Ningangitsheli ngale ntombazana, guys. I literally have nothing to say about her. I literally have nothing to say about her. Me and her can only talk through lawyers. You know, as I still wait for a response from the lawyers, because I still want my apology, which I know I will never get. But for isidima sam ngene kahle ku 2026, you know. Yeah, but anyway, when it comes to the girl, guys, ngiyantshela, for my sake, how, ningasangitsheli next. Ane, yeah, guys, let's talk in the comment section down below. What? Please see.